Hey guys, Jack's your Silverado mechanic. Today we're going to be doing a transfer case service. We're going to need a couple of tools for that. A drain pan, universal creeper, 18 millimeter socket or wrench, and going to need our special fluid. I'm going to suggest the AC Delco Auto Track for your transfer case fluid, and specifically if you've got automatic transfer case. And I like using this fluid pump, Sneaky Pete. Uh, put a link down below for all of this stuff if you need to get one. So let's get after it. So you want to crawl underneath your truck. You want to find your drain. This is going to be your lower one here. And your fill plug is the one up top. And we're going to place our drain pan right below. Only holds about 2 quarts. Once it all drains out, we'll put that plug back in. We'll take our top plug out, and that's where we'll fill it from. Take this out. It comes with 2 different adapter tubes. Actually, the shorter tube is going to be the best bet for us. Now, this is the design for a different style top, but it'll still work. You can just puncture the hole right into it and use it just like that. And then I'm going to use this down below once I put this in. Make sure to get this into our fill hole. Up top, and then we'll start working the fluid. And then we'll just keep doing this until this bottle is completely empty, because we know it takes both bottles. It might take you a minute or two, but you want to make sure you get all of it in there. And you'll see once it starts running out, you get a little more air in it. And just as I'm getting it full, you can see it's just starting to drip out the fill hole. That's completely full level right there. That's what we're looking for. So you get to that point, stop, and then we'll put your plug back in. In the chance that you do put too much in and it starts coming out everywhere, that's okay. You can allow it to just continue to drain off till it's done draining, and then insert your drain plug or your fill plug. Once you get it all filled up, of course you can save the rest for later, but the odds are you're not going to be adding any. So clean up your mess and you're good to go. Thanks for watching.